Hi students, today we will see class 12 Sociology chapter 1 Demographic Structure of the Indian Society notes. Demography, the systematic study of the population of a country, area, community, etc. The term is of Greek origin and is composed of two words, demos people, graphican describe. There are two types of demography. One is formal demography, statistical analysis of population, that is total population, number of males, number of females, number of youth, working population, rural urban in bracket quantitative data. Second, social demography, birth rate, death rate and migration that happens in a particular society. Consists of four processes. 1. Demographic structure, the number of peoples in an area. 2. Demographic processes, birth rate, death rate, migration. 3. Social structure, composition of an area. 4. Social processes, processes by which the individuals learn to live together in peace and harmony in society. Example, cooperation, accommodation, mediation, etc. Formal demography is to do with the statistics, numbers, aggregates. The memorial quantification of data. Social demography is concurred with the changes or consequences of the population of a society and how it affects us. The Malthusian theories of the population growth. Malthusian theory was propounded by the Thomas Robert Malthus. According to him, there are two important things that matter. One is population, people. Second, the means of subsistence, land, agriculture. According to him, population can grow uncontrollably. It grows in a geometric progression, bracket 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, etc. It is a fast. Land gives a limited return. It grows in arithmetic progression in bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It is a slow. As a result, there is an imbalance in society. Population is growing uncontrollably. Land is not able to sustain the large population, which leads to poverty, hunger, saturation, etc. Malthus came up with two solutions. Positive check. Natural disaster cause many people die and the population is naturally controlled. If one does not take care of themselves, nature will take care of them. Example, earthquakes, tsunami. Preventive check. Man-made, example, late marriage, illiteracy, contraceptives, etc. Criticism of Malthusian theory. According to the sociologist, poverty, hunger, etc. is not due to the less agricultural growth, but due to the unequal economic resources. Agricultural production is not limited due to the advancement of the science and technology. Along with the population growth, there is an increase in the standard of living. This is because of the science and technology. Theory of demographic transition. Population is moving from undeveloped to developed countries. There are three stages. One is primitive stage, underdeveloped countries, Africa. Second stage, developing countries bracket India, Pakistan. The stage of transition, countries are moving from underdeveloped to developed. Third stage, developed countries, USA, UK. Underdeveloped countries, stage 1. Birth rate is high since people are unaware of the advantages of having small families. They are not educated. Death rate is also high since the health and medical facilities are not available. Therefore, population is low. Developing countries, stage 2. Birth rate is high as we live in patriarchal society where men decide how many children must be born and male child is preferred. Literacy and people are ignorant. Death rate is also slow since health and medical facilities are available. Therefore, population is high and the result in population explosion. Demographic dividend, when the working population increases more than non-working population. Developed countries, stage 3. Birth rate is low. People are educated and aware and use contraceptives. Birth control is popularized. Death rate is also low because of the availability of health and medical facilities. Therefore, population is low. Population explosion. When birth rate of the country is high, the death rate is low because of the availability of health and medical facilities. Therefore, population is increasing. Common concept of population. 1. Birth rate. Number of live births per thousand population. 2. Death rate. Number of deaths per thousand population, also called mortality rate. 3rd, rate of natural increase. Difference between birth rate and the death rate in an area. Replacement level. Present generation replaces the previous or older generation. 0 level. Replacement is same. Same number of people replace the same number of older generation is called stabilized level. Bracket. Parents replaced by 2 children. Negative level. The number of people replacing older generation or less. In bracket. Parents replaced by child. Population explosion. A number of people replacing the older generation is more. Working population is more than the dependent population. Fertility rate. Number of live births between the age of 15 to 49 years per 1000 women. 5. Total fertility rate. Number of women who gives birth to children in a particular area at a particular age, 15 to 49 years. 6. Infant mortality rate. The number of infants who have died below the age of 1 per 1000 live births. 7. Maternal mortality rate. The number of women who died during the childbirth per 1000 population. 8. Life expectancy rate. The number of years that one is expected to live as determined by statistics may be individually qualified by the person's conditions, race, sex, age or other demographic factors. 9. Sex ratio. Number of females per thousands males. 10. Age structure. The structure of the population in terms of age in bracket in India 0 to 15 youth, 15 to 65 working population, above 64 years dependent population. 11. Dependency ratio. The number of people who are not working and are dependent on the working population. 12. Ratio of the dependent population to the working population is higher. 13. Demographic dividend. When the working population in a country is more than the dependent or non-working population. 14. Positive. Economic growth for the country, although it is a temporary phase. Size and the growth of India's population. Today, the population of India is very high, but it has not always been high. Growth has been up and down. Causes: epidemics. B. Natural disasters. Famine. Epidemics: the disease which is widespread and affects the lakhs of people in a large area. For example, during the World War, there spread the Spanish influenza. It affects the throat and the cavity, and you choke and die. It is believed to have killed more people than any war. It spread very fast and it's contagious because sanitation conditions were very bad, medical facilities were low, soldiers moved from place to place and spread it. Chemical explosion or fumes in the air. They are less common now because better medical facilities, there are vaccination. C. Sanitation conditions have been improved. D. Awareness of the people have increased. In India, we have still some epidemics like swine flu, chikungunya, plague, malaria, etc. Famine. There is a scarcity of food, shortage of food supply and production. It is of two types, natural and man-made. First, natural, excessive rainfall, no rainfall, drought. Man-made, excessive use of the pesticides and fertilizers, a lack of transport and communication facilities, distribution of grain by government is not sufficient, and proper preventive methods should be taken. Dr. Amartya Sen, it is not necessary that a famine is due to lack of food grain, but it could be due to the lack of efficient distribution, failure of entitlements, and inability of the people to buy and otherwise obtain food. It can be controlled by efficient distribution of food grains by improving the transportation and community. In bracket, Green Revolution has increased the supply of food grains despite varying amounts of rainfall. Third, medical facilities. If an area is experiencing famine, the government takes caution or measures to see that the people are given help. NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, takes care to see that everyone is employed so that if there is a famine, they can move somewhere else and buy food. Total fertility rate. When the birth rate is high, the death rate is low, it results in population explosion. In a country, birth rate is still high because of mindset of the people. Second, desire for male child. Third, patrilineal society. Replacement level. Kerala and Tamil Nadu, 0 or stabilized level due to the literacy. Uttar Pradesh, very high replacement level, 4:1. It can be good increase in youth population. Low fertility rate. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, mostly in bracket mostly northern states due to the desire for male child. Age structure of Indian population: 0 to 14 years youth population, 15 to 64 years working population, above 64 years old or retired population. Demographic dividend: working population is higher than the non-working population. Kerala, good age structure. Increase in working population, the literacy rate is very high, so they are educated about economic growth. Uttar Pradesh, increase in working population because of the large working youth population, decrease in aged population. Democratic dividend can be maintained by the better education, awareness, etc. Advantage, advantage current working population is large. It has a relatively small aged population to support. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Please subscribe for more knowledge.